Good day, everyone. In the United States, in a Senate Appropriations Committee hearing and meeting, we for the first time had one of the senators, and this is Senator Kennedy, say that South Africa is the US's enemy. Actually made that statement, and the Trade Ambassador Jamieson Greer agreed with him. So this shows you what is discussed in the Trump White House administration, in the Trump presidency. His administration considers South Africa as an enemy of the United States at the moment. And in this Appropriations Committee meeting, they were talking about AGOA, our trade agreements with the rest of Africa. And Senator Kennedy says that we should consider excluding South Africa from those negotiations over the rest of Africa completely. And that South Africa is seen as an individual case and a problem case specifically. And I'll give you a link to this video. It's about 8 minutes long, and about 3 minutes 50 seconds in, you will see where Senator Kennedy actually calls South Africa an enemy of the United States. So look in the description below, as well as in the first comment. You will get a link to this video. What does this tell you? Firstly, that South Africa is not the neutral country that they call themselves in the world anymore. And the US is trying to make this clear, saying that because you play with Russia, because you play with China, because you do war games after the G20 with Russia, China and Iran, you are now an enemy of the United States. And this is not a position South Africa should be in. No matter who we think runs America or controls the Trump presidency, etc., what is important here is you do not want to get to a point where they want to put boots on the ground. And I believe that there are people in this country right now, many social media podcasters and entities that are fighting for the US to put boots on the ground and do a regime change in this country. I've spoken about this build-up before. I said the last thing that will happen after Eskom has been destroyed, and believe me, it is still destroyed. And I'll explain that in live streams, public live streams in more detail. You need to understand that the next thing would be a secession battle. And I always said that the US would play a key role in the secession battle. And that battle will run in many different ways and in many different places. This is not about Cape Exit. I said it so many times. The Cape Exit movement is Mickey Mouse compared to what is actually taking place. And this is why I said there's people that want South Africa as a country divided into smaller groups, because then it's easier to gain control. And why it is important for us to keep the entire country and even the Southern African region tight and strong is because people want to remove our way of life, our complete and utter identity as people. And there's many people in South Africa rooting for this. I put out a poll some time back where people said, please, send in the US military, let them take over. Not understanding that making statements like that is actually treasonous. Under our constitution, under our laws, it's a treasonous statement to make. And you should be very careful when you say things like that, because who knows when the government will act out on the laws of the country. At this stage, they've been very relaxed based on some of the things I've seen online. And people need to decide if you want to be in the United States, move to the United States. People have been given that option, and it's certainly something they should then consider and then live with the consequences of living there. I would rather remain here, and I have my reasons for that. However, we need to make sure in South Africa that we're not seen as the enemy of anyone. This is important. And Senator Kennedy saying that South Africa can now be considered an enemy of the United States is certainly something I don't think President Cyril Ramaphosa's government of national unity know how to deal with. And the problem is, it's not just the ANC in power. There's many parties in power at the moment, and they are not mature or adult enough to deal with situations like this. This is a serious situation, and it should be seen as a serious indictment on our government. And you know, it doesn't matter how you feel about trade deals, etc. Having us considered the enemy of anybody is stupid. Under Nelson Mandela, he believed that we should remain neutral within the world, while yet speaking out against things that he considered unfair or inhumane, or whatever the case may be. Whether right or wrong is irrelevant. That is the message he put out there. Remain neutral, like Switzerland. Now, I would seriously recommend this for South Africa. And doing war games with countries that are the enemy of the US is a dumb thing to do. A very dumb thing. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like further content like this, or my perspective on information and news like this, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon so you can get notifications for future videos, and join the Double Odes community, where we give a completely different perspective to the mainstream media on history as well as the future. And we look to the future. And for South Africa, I see a bright future. If we can overcome problems like this, there's a lot that we can do. There's a lot that we can achieve in the Southern African region, and I look forward to sharing that journey with you. Thanks so much. Till the next video.